The presence of nanoplastics has been observed to contribute to the development of Parkinson's disease in a variety of laboratory models. Greetings to everyone. In today's video, we will be delving into the subject of nanoplastics and their interaction with a specific protein that occurs naturally in the brain. This interaction has been linked to the onset of Parkinson's disease and some forms of dementia. Without any further delay, let us begin our conversation. Upon interacting with a specific protein that naturally occurs in the brain, nanoplastics lead to alterations that are associated with the onset of Parkinson's disease and certain forms of dementia. The results of a study led by Duke University, published on November 17th in Science Advances, establish a fundamental basis for a fresh field of inquiry. The study's discoveries are spurred by the relevant influence of environmental factors on human biology. According to Andrew West, principal investigator and a professor in the Department of Pharmacology and Cancer Biology at Duke University School of Medicine, Parkinson's disease is currently the neurological disorder experiencing the most rapid growth worldwide. While there is much data pointing to potential environmental influences on the development of Parkinson's disease, these factors have yet to be definitively identified. In a recent study, it was discovered that improperly discarded plastic waste has the ability to disintegrate into minuscule fragments that have the tendency to amass in both water and food sources. Furthermore, these fragments were detected in the bloodstream of the majority of adults examined. West has stated that according to our research, the presence of micro and nanoplastics in our surroundings could pose a fresh threat of toxicity to Parkinson's disease, both in its risk and progression. This is an alarming situation, particularly when considering the anticipated rise of these pollutants in our food and water sources. The Nicholas School of the Environment at Duke, in conjunction with the Chemistry Department of Trinity College of Arts and Sciences, discovered that plastic polystyrene nanoparticles, usually found in disposable items such as drinking cups and cutlery, have a strong affinity for the protein alpha-synuclein. The study's most astonishing discovery is the strong and consistent bond formed between the plastic and protein inside the neuron's lysosome, where the protein accumulates. West and his colleagues found this to be particularly intriguing. According to the researchers, the buildup of plastic protein aggregates occurred in 3 distinct models utilized during the study: test tubes, cultured neurons, and mouse models that mimic Parkinson's disease. West noted that there still exist uncertainties regarding the mechanisms underlying these interactions within human subjects and whether the type of plastic involved has any bearing on the outcome. Although the potential impact of microplastic and nanoplastic pollutants on cancer and autoimmune diseases is being closely scrutinized, the interactions we could observe in our models were remarkable and indicate the importance of assessing the risk and progression of Parkinson's disease and dementia due to increasing levels of nanoplastic pollutants, stated West. According to the speaker, the current state of technology for monitoring nanoplastics is in its infancy and cannot provide answers to all of our inquiries. Nevertheless, he hopes that research in this field will intensify as the potential impact of these particles is better understood through experimentation. By identifying the effects of these materials, we can take measures to safeguard ourselves without forfeiting the many advantages we derive from plastics on a daily basis. The research was partially supported with funding from 2 sources: the Michael J. Fox Foundation for Parkinson's Research and the Aligning Science Across Parkinson's Initiative, also known as ASAP 020527. The cohort of authors who contributed to the study, aside from West, comprises Zhiyong Liu, Arpine Sokratian, Addison M. Duda, Enquan Shu, Christina Stanhope, Amber Fu, Samuel Strada, Huizhong Li, Yuen Yuen, Benjamin G. Bobe, Joanna Sipe, Ketty Bai, Ibn Lundgaard, Na Liu, Belinda Hernandez, Catherine Bowes Rickman, and Sarah E. Miller. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.